Okay, first of all, good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, and I hope you are also fine.
Yes, I'm pretty good.
Since we are meeting for the first time, so just I want to know a little bit introduction from your side.
Okay. My name is Seema Bisen. I'm from Maharashtra in Nagpur city. That's it.
Okay, you are a homemaker?
Yeah, I'm a homemaker and I'm a student. I'm doing study.
Oh, wow, good. And I'm Tanya Singh, and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I'm a homemaker also, and I have started my YouTube channel also just for improving my speaking skills.
Okay, that's
Okay,
nice.
so are you interested for discussing any topic?
Yeah,
Okay, we all are aware that the WhatsApp status, Facebook story, Instagram story also, sometime we are posting, very good things, very good moment, happy moment, but sometime we are posting sad story, sad status. Do you think it is good?
yeah, it's good. It's our opinion. If we want to take happiness, happy moments, so we put on the status as a happy, but we are sad. So why we are not putting the status for sad? We want, so we will use. Any person want, they like or not, doesn't matter, but it's our status we are put up, it's our image. So yeah,
Do
that's
you think
good.
after posting this sad story, like today I'm feeling very low, today I'm not feeling very good, do you think, do you get any benefit after posting this type of story? Like mental
Yes,
health problem, it is reducing.
yeah, it's reduced whenever we have some disturbance in our mind and some problem and sadness. We if we return, so our mind will be fresh, and if we share our problem to another, so also our mind fresh. If we take a sad status, so anyone or our friend ask what's happened, so we share what is thing happening today, tomorrow, yesterday. Okay, so it's good for our mental health. We share that thing, so it's beneficial.
But do you think all our friends really very generous friend and all relatives are really very generous relative? They all are very, sad when they are watching their sad story, or they feel happy.
No, 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 not generous. Some friends, some relatives, they are take competition with us, and some relatives or friend are jealous. If we are sad, so they can take, happy. They will happy whenever we sad, and whenever we happy, so they will be sad. It's
So
opposite.
yeah, I think when we are posting this type of stuff our story, do you think like sometimes it is a competition also? Like we have achieved this thing, so today I will post this thing. And after that, when someone is watching, like some relative, some friend also watching, after some time, half an hour, 30 minutes, they are also posting. Have you ever seen this type of thing in your life?
If they like, if they like the status, so they can also post it. Then
No, no. Sometimes there is a competition. Like your child is getting, first some trophy also. Okay, so you have posted because it is a fresh news from your side. But
yes,
I have seen that some friend, not all, some friends also posting same thing, but it is an old post that my
yes,
son, my daughter also achieved this type of thing.
that much good.
That was good, but I think it's a competition.
Yes, it's competition. Whenever we take status, just like anniversary. Okay, we just I have my anniversary and I take some photos on the WhatsApp, and any woman and something friend, they like their status, so they said yes, her anniversary in that time, so she put up that status, so I will, if I my anniversary will come, so I can also put up. They
But
cheat.
there are some friend also, like you are posting your story because today or I think after one day it is your anniversary. But some of the friends and some of the relatives also posted their pics, but there is no anniversary, no anything, but they are posting this kind of pics like anniversary pic, birthday pics after some time when you are posting.
Yeah, yeah, it's happening.
I think it's not a good thing, because that person has a special day, but you have already celebrated your day. Then why you are posting on the same day? Because
Yes, right.
friends are common. Okay, that friends you have, that person have also same friend.
Yes.
This type of thing, many time occurs in my life.
Okay. Or cheat your status.
Not cheating, I'm not saying that you have no right to posting anything, because everybody has their own status. But if somebody has their special day like their anniversary, and you have already celebrated your anniversary, then why you are posting your anniversary pic on that day? Because you want just attention, you are an attention seeker.
Right.
Okay,
Yes.
because I have seen this. Because right now, like your daughter is getting something good, like some trophy, you are posting because it is a very you can say fresh news. Today she
Yes.
has got it, this. But same day, after 15 minutes, you are watching some friend, you can say some relative also, they are posting same thing, but this post is 2 year old. Okay, that time it
So
is called competition.
whenever we take good status, status is good. We
No,
are
no,
not cheating.
they are just saying that my daughter is not inferior than your daughter.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying today, nowadays, I think it's a, you can say a competition also. I'm also good. You are not only good.
Yeah, but people watching their status, and people know that status.
Yes. But in my
Today
opinion,
picture.
it's not good if you are spoiling someone's special day.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And if you are posting good things, after that you are spreading good vibes. But if you
Yeah,
are posting,
status depend on our personality, our thought, what we take on the status or our DP. Our
hmm,
nature also included.
yes.
Yes.
So I'm asking, like, if we are posting our status, any type of status, it shows your personality also.
Yes.
Like somebody is
Yeah,
very
and
jolly nature person, so always they are posting comedy memes xyz. So we assume that he's a very jolly person or she's a very jolly person, happy person. But some friends or some relatives always posting like negative things. you know that time we
right.
also think that she has she's very negative person. She's not thinking like a positive person. Are you agree with my point of
Yeah.
view?
Yes, yes, yes. I totally agree. And whenever they sad, so they take a sad video. Most of the time, sad video. So it's not a solution.
Yes. Then what is the solution? What do you think about this matter? What is a good solution?
Whenever every people have a bad situation and good situation. If we have a good situation, so we take a good status, happiness status, and we are sad, so why we are taking sad status? um, you know our our problem will not solve anyone. We can solve our problem, means I have a problem, so I can solve myself. Our friend will not solve.
Yes, one time, two time you are posting, sad story. I think it's good. But every time you are posting, sad story, I think it's not good for your mental health, and you can say your surrounding also.
Right.
Because
And
these,
after our watching people, they are also irritating.
yes,
Was that?
why this person is again and again, posting sad status? Because every person want happiness,
They avoided.
and they are watching your story just for happiness, not for your, sadness, your broken heart,
Yes.
you know.
Just I have one example. If you are a YouTuber and you are uploading video, but they are not helpful for another learner, your uploaded video, they are not beneficial. So your YouTuber will be not watch that video.
But
It's
there
our,
is a bitter truth also. I just want to tell you, like you and me are making conversation video, and I think it's a good video, but our video don't get so much views, And if you are making like garbage things, like you are using abusing language, XYZ, that type of video going to viral. I don't know why.
yes, 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 yes.
I'm personally seen that there are so many good YouTubers. They are making everyday conversation video, and they have, I think, 2,000, 3,000, 17.5 something something subscriber. But they are getting, 20, 80, 50, 100 views. You know,
Yes, yes. Means all people don't want to learn, and
yes.
anyone uploading just like a status for flower status, and they are dancing. So people don't want more, and comedy video they want to
And
watch.
sometimes they are using like abusing abusive language. These type of
Yes,
videos going to viral.
yeah, right.
It means most of the viewers want the dark side. They don't want good education. It shows
Right.
this. Yes, I have personally viewed this, like there are so many good YouTubers who are making good content also, and like they are giving some good education also, but these type of channels are not going good.
Yeah, and whenever they watch that video, so they don't like he is uploading that video. So it's good for her. So they are taking bad comments. You are not taking good video, uploading good video. Your English is not good. Some comments
They are
also
not
come.
watching
Yes, yes,
co-learners effort, but they are
yes.
just watching. You are not speaking very
They do
well.
not take always.
Yes, so that's why I'm saying most of the person right now just watch a garbage things.
Right.
If you are posting garbage thing, dispute also, fight also, these type of videos going viral. But when you are giving some good information, good knowledge, you are spreading light in the society, that type of video gaining very less number of viewers.
Yeah. Right.
Even you have 1,000 subscriber, 2,000, but your views are 20, 30, 40, just.
It will be increases. Some students. Yeah.
So I think if we are posting like our status, good thing it's good. But when we are posting like sad story, some stressful like story, I think 2 time, 3 time it is good. But every time you are posting this kind of status, it's not good.
Yes.
So we should avoid this type of situation.
Yeah. Right.
Yes, because all are here just for good things. Nobody wants bad things, stressful environment. Nobody wants. We are
Yeah.
all here just for happiness, because already we are very engaged in our personal life. There are already so many stress also.
Yes, right. Yeah, and if you have a friend and you also share bad moment with her, what's happening in your life, not good, bad, so they will not attend your call, and they don't want to listen. What's problem happening with you?
And
But
my second opinion is, like you are posting your sad story 1 time, 2 time it is good, but after some time you have discussed your close friend, your parents also, because every time you are just posting it's not good, because on this platform, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, all are not good. Sometimes they are making laugh, making fun of you.
right,
So everything which is very real you should not post.
people they don't understand what we uploading and what is this our status when we upload
Yes,
that video. Status means what's our status? We uploaded
yes.
that.
What is going on with our mind, what is the
Yeah,
situation, and
yeah,
some people really making fun of you, that today she
right.
is very unhappy.
Yes.
So we should aware which we are
Right.
posting,
Yeah.
because every person is not good and every person is not your generous friend also.
Yeah. I don't want to upload video and status on my WhatsApp. Yeah. I'm not
But I
interested.
always most of the time I always, but good things like comedy memes, so that every person can laugh, because
Yeah.
nowadays most of the person are very living in a stressful life. There is
Yeah.
huge stress every person's life.
Yeah,
So
right.
we post some positive vibes, not negative vibes.
Yes,
Because
yeah.
when you posting negative things, I don't know why it is the effect. Whole day you feel very unhappy, you feel very gloomy. I don't know. But when you feel a good thing on your status, I don't know. We feel very good.
Yes.
So we should always, give attention good side, not bad side. One
Right.
time I can understand human heart. This is human tendency. But after some time, you should take help your parents, your close friend also. But everything you are sharing on the social media, it's not good.
Yeah.
There should be some,
Some
personal,
some boys are taking some personal problem, you know, something, and other friend they are making fullness.
because one of my friend, she was facing some relationship problem, like her husband was not good. He always beat her, and she always posted like this type of thing. Saddy thing. But I think you should take help of your parents, good friends also. You should take advice of advocate also. But if you are posting like this type of thing every time, you know 10 status every day. I think it's not good.
Yeah, right.
Because
I'm
when
good with our conversation now.
yes, we can end, and I think it's a very fruitful conversation with you, and
Yes, yes.
I hope you also enjoyed this conversation.
Yeah, really, I enjoy, and it's a good topic.
Yeah,